You wake up, your accounts are frozen wonke, because now this account is linked to your other Capitec accounts, right? Wonga ma account afrizile, personal, savings, business, everything under your name and your ID number has been frozen by Capitec because of 210 rand. Are you with me? Sharp. You call Capitec, you inquire, you speak to them on WhatsApp as well, because they have a WhatsApp chat line. They tell you on WhatsApp, but you know your account was flagged in your account, and that person says it is fraud. You go to the bank, the branch, with your affidavit and all the proof that you are the account holder, and you are trying to access your funds, because now you cannot pay your staff, you cannot stock up for business, you can't do anything. That time you have a business that needs istogo.